Welcome back to our channel. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times on your iPad, it will get locked. And if you've forgotten the passcode, the only way to unlock it is to factory reset the device. This will remove the lock, but it will also erase all the data on your iPad. If you've already backed up your data using iTunes, iCloud, or UltFone, then you're good to go with this video. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode button. If your iPad is connected to the internet and shows the iPad unavailable screen, you'll usually see a Forgot Passcode button at the bottom. If your device is signed in with your Apple ID and you still remember it, tap that button. Then tap Start iPad Reset to begin. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to erase all data and remove the lock. Once it's done, your iPad will restart, and you can set it up as a new device or restore your data from a backup. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode button, you can try using Find My. Method 2. Factory Reset iPad using Find My. To use this method, make sure your iPad is turned on. Now grab another device signed in with the same Apple ID, like an iPhone or a Mac. Open the Find My app. Locate your iPad. Then tap Erase to wipe the device. Follow the on-screen instructions. And once you sign in with your Apple ID, your iPad will be factory reset automatically. After it restarts, you can set it up and use it normally again. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, the next method might be better for you. Method 3. Factory Reset iPad with UltFone iPhone Unlock. This method is perfect if you forgot your Apple ID password, and it's also very beginner-friendly. UltFone iPhone Unlock supports most iPhone and iPad models, and lets you factory reset your device with one click. I've put the download link in the description. First, connect your iPad to your computer with a cable. Then open the software and choose Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen instructions. To put your iPad into recovery mode, press volume up, press volume down, then hold the power button until the device turns off and enters recovery mode. Next, download the required firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start to begin the reset. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. When your iPad restarts, the factory reset will be complete. Now you can set it up as a new device and start using it again. Fast and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more iOS 26 tricks coming your way soon. See you next one.